In Arizona, roof damage from high winds isn't just common. It's expected. But understanding your insurance claim shouldn't be as complicated as the weather. Strong winds? Hail? These acts of God are why you have homeowners insurance. But do you know when to file a claim? The date of loss is crucial. It's the day the damage happened, and it needs to match recognized storm dates. For Phoenix, the critical date is August 31st, 2023. You have until August 31st, 2025 to file your claim, ensuring it is considered valid.
Yeah, Atlas Adjusting made the process smooth, and they did everything from the insurance to the scheduling of the roof, and it came out great.